What's going on, everyone? Today I got a Mini Cooper S key fob here. This is from a 2017 model. Today we're going to replace the battery in it. It's super duper easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. If your remote looks like this and you drive like a Clubman or something, it's exactly the same. Alright, so you are going to need a flathead screwdriver to do this. Just a real small one is going to work good for this. Okay, so if we flip the remote over and we look at it right here where it says Mini, there's a little slot right here that we're going to use our flathead screwdriver. We're going to put that in there and we're just going to pry this up. All right, nice and carefully pop it up, and we'll take this little cover off. Okay, now all we're going to do is take out the emergency key. Now you can actually see that this is a key in here. This is to open up the door in case there's, battery failure or something. Press the button and then you can pull the emergency key out. Get our flathead screwdriver, and we're going to take this little cover off right here. And we're just going to, it comes off real easy. We're just going to just pry on it like this, and it will come right off. Here's our battery, and flathead screwdriver down here in the corner. We're going to find one of these little openings. There's these little openings here. I'm just going to pry this guy out like that. Okay, I'll show you what size the battery is, so you can replace it with the correct size. Let me get it here. Okay, I'll show you. Battery size is a CR2032. Positive sign, see that? It's facing out towards us, and we stick it in, I guess you want to call this the top of the remote, I guess, first. There's these little contacts right here. It needs to go in between those, like that, and we just place it in back like that. Then we get our little cover. It has this little indent right here. It goes down in here, snaps in, super duper easy. Slide the key back in, see, go back in, lock in, and then cover top side first, snap it in. You're all done. If you need a battery, I have a link down there in the description box. It takes you to Amazon if you need to get a battery, and if you need the size, again, it's all written down there. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate if you'd leave me a comment, possibly hit that like button for me, and hope to see you guys in another video.